Hello friends, today I am going to deal with numbers for students of standard 1. So before I start with numbers, I must first of all tell you the difference between digits and numbers. We know there are 10 digits and they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we begin from 0 and right up till 9 when we talk of digits. So in total there are 10 digits. But when we talk of numbers, we begin from 1 and when we write, we find that there is no end to writing of numbers, right? So these are all the single digit numbers starting from 1 to 9, and then we deal with 2 digit numbers 10, 11, 12 and so on. So once we start writing numbers, we will continue writing it endlessly. There is no end to writing of numbers. So today we are going to deal with 2 digit numbers for students of standard 1. Now when we talk of 2 digit numbers, we should know the position of each of the digits in the 2 digit numbers. Let me give you an example here. "24" is an example of a 2 digit number. Each of these 2 digits, that is 2 and 4, occupies specific position. So here 4 occupies the ones place. I am writing O on top of 4 to denote that 4 occupies the ones place and 2 occupies the tens place. I am writing T on top of 2. The ones place is also called as the units place. Okay. So here 4 is the digit in the ones place, 2 is the digit in the tens place. Let me give you some more examples of 2 digit numbers. 34, 32, 16. So these are some more examples of 2 digit numbers. Now for the number 34, the digit 4 is in the ones place and the digit 3 is in the tens place. Similarly, for the number 32, 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. For the number 16, 6 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. Okay. So the 2 positions here for a 2 digit number are ones place and tens place. Right. Now let us compare 2 digit numbers. Let us find out which of the given numbers or which of the given 2 numbers are greater. Now let me take these 2 numbers here, 24 and 34. First of all, we should remember that a 2 digit number is always greater than a single digit number. Secondly, when we are comparing 2 numbers with 2 digits, we have to first of all check the tens place. the number with the greater digit in the tens place is the greater of the two numbers. Now over here for the number 24, the tens place digit is 2. For the number 34, the tens place digit is 3. So obviously 3 is greater than 2, right? So 34 will be greater than 24. Now let us consider the case where the tens place digits are the same. So here I am writing suppose 61 and 60. Which is the greater of the two numbers now? First of all, let us mark their position. This is 1 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place, right? For the number 60, 0 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. I said earlier that we are always supposed to check the tens place digits first. So here when I check the tens place digits, I observe both of them are 6. So next, now we are supposed to check the ones place digit. For this particular number, the ones place has the digit 1, and for this particular number, the ones place has the digit 0. So obviously 1 is greater than 0. Hence, since 1 is greater than 0, therefore 61 is greater than 60. So now you must have understood how to identify the greater of the two given numbers. Now let us learn about the symbols that are used to denote greater than, less than or equal to. These are the symbols. This one and this one. This denotes greater than. This denotes less than. And this denotes equal to. Right. Suppose what is the symbol or the sign to be used for this? Am I going to use this sign or this sign or this sign? We can see that these are two single digit numbers and they are the same. Since they are the same, I would fill up this gap with the equal sign. Right. Now, if I am given two digit numbers, suppose 42 and 31. So, which sign should I use here? Now, in case a child forgets the symbol for less than or greater than, I have an idea which will help them to remember the symbol to be used. See what I have made for you, children. Can you see? This is a baby crocodile. Now, this crocodile has its mouth wide open, right? Remember, a crocodile loves to eat the greater of the two numbers. Okay. So, this mouth of the crocodile will always face the greater number. Now, first of all, verbally, let us check which is the greater of these two given numbers, 42 or 31. So, once again, we will first of all identify the position of the digits here. So, 2 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place. Here 1 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place, right. So, first of all, we have to check the tens place. Yes, for the number 42, the tens place has the digit 4. For the number 31, the tens place has the digit 3. And obviously, 4 is greater than 3. That is why 42 is greater than 31. So, this crocodile now will eat the bigger number. So, the crocodile has to eat the bigger number, means it is going to eat 42 but not 31. Now, if you place the crocodile here, you can see the crocodile has opened its mouth wide to eat the larger number. Crocodile loves eating the bigger number. So, here I am drawing the crocodile's mouth. So, the symbol that is used here is greater than, that is 42 greater than 31, right. Similarly, if I write here 52 and over here if I write 77, which is the greater number and which symbol do I use among these? So, here you can very well see for the two given numbers, here this is the ones place, this is the tens place. Similarly, this is the ones place and this is the tens place. Ones place comes first, okay. From the right side, we move on to the left side, ones and tens place. So, now check the tens place digit, 5 and over here 7. Naturally, 7 is greater than 5, right. So, the crocodile will face towards the bigger number. The crocodile will now move to eat the bigger number. So, you can see the crocodile has opened its mouth wide towards 77. So, now we can draw the crocodile's mouth in this way. So, 77 greater than 52, or else in other words, we may read this as 52 less than 77. I hope you will remember how to identify the symbols for greater than and less than. Next, children, let us learn about ascending order and descending order. Once you have understood the concept of greater than and less than, ascending order and descending order will not be a problem at all. So, ascending means we move on from a smaller number to a bigger number, and descending means we move on from bigger number to smaller ones. Ascending order and descending order. Now remember, for ascending order we move on from smaller number to bigger number, right. I may write here smaller to bigger, and for descending from a bigger number we move on to a smaller number. Now here we will not be comparing only two numbers, we will compare more than two numbers. So in class 1, let us compare three numbers now. Suppose we are given numbers in this way: 20, 19 and 76, right. So, over here children, my question is arrange in ascending order. So, let me write down the numbers given: 1976. Now, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, ones place, tens place, and over here also I have written the place for each of the digits. Now, look at the tens place first. Which is the biggest tens place digit and which is the smallest tens place digit? We have 2, 1 and 7. These are the digits in the tens place. So, you can see 7 is the greatest and 1 is the smallest. So, here let me choose two different colors, right. The bigger one I am going to mark with a green color. The smallest one I am going to mark with a red color. So, when I am arranging in ascending order, the smallest number should be written at first. So, the order is 19 comes first and at last 76 will come. Okay. So, we have written the smallest and then the biggest. What is left? 20. 20 will come in between. So, this is how we have arranged the given numbers in ascending order. I am giving you another example. Suppose we are given three numbers as 35, 19 and 7. Okay. So, we know that a single digit number is always smaller than a two digit number. So, the smallest one we will color with red and the biggest one we will color with green. Which is the biggest among these two given numbers, 35 or 19 children? Tens place you can see, this is the ones place, right. So, tens place digits are 3 and 1. Obviously, 3 is tens place digits are 3 and 1. Obviously, 3 is greater than 1. So, 35 is the greatest number now, or 35 is greater than 19. So, as I am supposed to arrange in ascending order, the order is the smallest number comes first, the largest or the biggest comes last. Left out number is 19. So, this is the order. For the same question, I mean for the same given numbers, if I change the question as arrange in descending order, what will I do? I will start with the biggest number and move on to the smallest, right. So, I will write 35 and the smallest is 7. So, in between we will have 19. So, this is in descending order and this is in ascending order. So please practice questions of such kind. Please subscribe my channel so that I feel motivated and come up with new videos and good content. Thank you. Take care. Good day.